I'm gonna show you something. I got it. I got it. Ini, mini, mini, mo. Pwede babayo kang kamo. Okay. So we're gonna open this ASMR. Huy! ASMR. Oh, sayang. Let's open it up. Wala na, yun lang. So, meron tayong letter or basta ganun. Thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much for trusting me with your order. I hope you love everything in this package. Let me know once you receive this by sending me a DM or leaving feedback. Until our next, ano na yun, pre? Part 2 na lang, ubos na yung time.